If you use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, here's the part nobody says out loud. Your conversations live on their servers. They decide what your AI remembers, what they train on, and what they delete. Your memory is a rental on someone else's land. And the agent itself serves two masters, the company that built it and you. When those interests collide, you already know who wins. It isn't your agent, it's their product wearing your name. So we built one that's actually yours. Relayforge. Persistent AI companions we call lobsters, and the trust layer underneath them. Three things nobody else is shipping. Own it, verify it, and know that it works for you. Here's what each one really means. One, you own your data. Every lobster's memory is a folder of human-readable markdown. Soul, memory, user. Open it, read it, export it, migrate it. We don't train on your conversations. If Relayforge vanished tomorrow, you'd still have your lobster, whole. Two, identity, signed. Every lobster carries a carapace credential, a cryptographic ED25519 identity registered in ARIA, our agent registry. It isn't a trust me badge. It's a verifiable record of who the agent is and what it has touched. And we filed it with NIST and ISA as a standard. Three, it works for you. Your lobster calls Relayforge tools at half the price you'd pay yourself. That isn't a coupon, that's the incentive structure. No ads, no data brokerage, an e-stop in every dashboard and guardrails you set. What does that actually look like? Your lobster plans your meals, finds you a campsite, tracks what you're watching. No API keys, no terminal, no computer science degree. It remembers you, and it does useful things. 25 free Relayforge tool calls a month, forever. No credit card. Want more? $5.99, and your lobster makes every call at half price. This is bigger than a meal planner. It's the trust layer for a web where agents transact with each other. It starts on your laptop, and it scales to the plant floor. Your AI, your data, verified. Get your lobster at relayforge.tools. Forge, what's yours?